sweet spot until we got fish on, bag it on down, cap, got her hooked.
Let's go fishing. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a little while since I've put a video on the channel. Been really busy with general life, work. The weather ain't been very good lately either, but we got a break in the weather. Supposed to be one of the hottest days of the year, 18 degrees. And I'm down Minehead today with Ben. He's just getting his stuff out, and we're actually joining Mikey Webber on Teddy Boy, so fingers crossed we can get some fish on the camera for you, and yeah, hopefully we're in for a good day's fishing. The weather's absolutely perfect.
Oh, I got my finger stuck on my bum.
But yeah, we'll bring you back once we're on the boat, show you what bait we're using, etc. Cheers all, speak to you soon. So here we are in Minehead, an absolute glorious day. Look at that. So Ben's just making his way right now. Beautiful. Let's go and do some fishing. What are you going to catch today, Ben?
Dirt shark. There it is.
Just headed out now. We're gonna head down to Porlock first, fish there for a few hours, and then make our way back up to a local sandmark, minehead. Chances today of some nice blondes, puss, some nice conger, and when we come back up, hopefully we can get some small eye on the sandmarks. So fingers crossed. So there's old white mark back there. We're just coming up to Grenley now. Lovely conditions today. So we're nearly at the mark now. We're just passing Selworthy. And up ahead is Porlock. Ben, you ready for today? Hopefully we can get a few fish on the camera. All the boys ready? Today I'm going to be using my Shimano Antares rod 20 to 30, paired up with a Cabo 60, and then my Pen tide cutter up tide, paired with a Speedmaster. 50-pound braid. Then a trace of 70-pound with a pair of Sakuma Manta extra hooks, doing the business. So once we anchor up, I'll chuck one out up tide and then the other one just down the tide. So Ben's doing some nice, what's that, Ben? Crab and squid wraps? Nice. Let's have a little look. Beautiful. So today's bait, got some nice herring, some bluey, some squid. There's Bosington there, and we're just coming out to Porlock now. So we're on the first mark of the day. Just prep my herring and squid. Ready?
What does that stand for? Power.
Oh.
What's wrong about it? Oh, that's the ratio, right?
Mikey Webber's just putting the anchor line. Down she goes. Sorted. That boat swing round now. Perfect. Just gonna drop this one down tight. Bite. Down the tide. Everybody's out there. Doggy! It's a nice bite back there, that. Ain't got a nice bite on. Doggy. First fish for you today, Ben, innit? Few doggies around. Another bite from Ben. Another doggy. Chew up on me now. I got a bite.
Everyone have milk in their teeth and coffee.
Bottom bird, second fish of the day. Nice bite on Dow Tyler. Doggy and he just let go. See that? That bait's still alright. I'm just gonna drop that back down. You literally just grabbed the end. Unbelievable. I'll give that another 10 minutes and I'll change it again. Change the bait up. Doggy, doggy. drop this fresh bait down to him. Southeasterly. Bit chilly that wind, isn't it? Hopefully the sun comes out, especially for the hottest day of the year. Come on. Bit doggy. Doggy! Doggy. That's gone right down, but there's two in there. Oh, top man.
You mate? Okay, bud?
Yeah. Expertise, Mike. Turn, Mike. Actually got another bite as well. Get this out quickly, and then see to that bite in the rock. That's it. dog. Mania here. Your expertise, Mike.
Single?
Double.
Double.
He has gone right down, to be fair.
That'd be a
T-bar job.
I won't get it.
Come in that bit like that.
Go on.
Oh, you don't, do you want?
Yeah.
Oh, but cheers.
Should get it.
Sometimes they're a pain in the ass, aren't they? Sure, Mike. Nice bite on the outside there. So I'm just gonna, this is outside so you don't need to strike or anything like that, just wind into it. Feel the fish, make sure it's there. Yep, went in. Just wind. This is gonna be doggy. At the minute it's a dog fest, Ben, isn't it? So yeah, at least we're getting bites. I'm going to put some blue on this now, mix it up a little bit. So next bait going out, it's bluey and squid wrap. A set of Sakuma mantas. Bluey bag of ray on it. Nice bite. Still there, isn't he?
Yeah, it's still there.
Dog is all right. So we just up anchored now from Porlock. We just had a few dogs. That's about it really. We're just gonna make our way back down towards the drain lane. See if we got ourselves a few small ray, maybe a blonde. So yeah, Ben's enjoying it. Just nice to be out again. Seen a few bites on the tip of the rods. Yeah, fingers crossed. Bring you back once we're into a few fish. Cheers, everyone. So we've just come along Selworthy. It is all sand underneath us. You can see, got a couple of casters over there. Mike's just dropping the anchor now. So the fish Selworthy. Didn't have much there. Mainly the old dogs again. So we up anchored. Now we've steamed back to Minehead, just opposite of the Butlins tent, I believe. Maybe just down a little bit more. So yeah, fingers crossed we can get a few ray or two on the camera just before the session ends. It hasn't been the best trip, but we're out and that's what matters, really. We've got a break in the weather and it's nice to see all the rods out. Fingers crossed we can bag a ray or two before we go out. So, cheers everyone, thanks for watching. So once we stopped and anchored up, first bit I'm going to get out is on the upside rod, and it'd be a squid and bluey rat on a set of Sakuma mantas. So hopefully this does the business and bags me a ray with a bit of luck. Just got to keep pushing through the dogfish. I've had plenty today, loads of dogfish. So yeah, fingers crossed. Footage. Double hook up. He's still there, is he? Nice. Yeah, doggy. This looks a bit better though. Oh, that's a nice sound. Lovely fish.
Yeah.
Well done.
These are nice hounds as well.
Beautiful. Yeah, lovely. Nice for March though. Really? gone. Well done. Right, unfortunately that is the end of the session. We're coming back into Minehead Harbour now. Plenty of fish caught. A couple of smooth vine, nice bass, a couple of small eye. I did manage a half decent conger, but all in all, me and Ben just had dogs mainly. But nevertheless, lovely days fishing out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. How'd you like today, Ben?
No comment.
No comment. That sums it up. See you later. Hey. It's Norway in 5 weeks. We're not bothered, are we? Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.